In this video I'm going to show you how to split text into two columns in Canva. As you can see, I have opened a new document and the next step will be hitting the slash button on your keyboard. After that, this menu will be opened, and now what we need to do is scroll down till you will find the table option. Select the table option, then select a 2x1 option, and as you can see we have now created two columns. The next step will be adding text into the first column and of course adding text into the second column. Now as you can see, the text is divided into two columns. Now once you have added the text into the columns, then we can remove the border, because you can see a border around the text. So the next step will be selecting the columns by dragging your left mouse button over the columns or press Ctrl A on your keyboard. After that, go to the border option, and here we can set the border color. Change it to white so it won't be visible. And as you can see, we have now successfully split text into two columns in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.